welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is New Balance 992, and then quadruple J OUND green color. This is size 8. So let's go and then unbox this, and then I'll show you guys what my son got. Sounds like a rubber band. So this pair is from Kith. Here's the description right here, and then the SKU number. Unit price is $200. Sound like a guitar. So let's show you guys what is on the bottom real quick. It's recyclable 2019 New Balance threaded ink. This packaging is made from 100% recycled material. Oh my god, what happened? The lid is ripped on top of the box. I'm not sure how. And then on the top, you got the glossy green New Balance. So it's right here. Let's go and then check out the size label real quick on the sticker. Let's go and then open this up. Wow, look at that. So here's the New Balance. Oh, right here, looks like a 3M right there. Oh yeah, it is. I have my flash on already. And this is just a dot and letter. So right here is like a suede material. And you got this nice looking strip right here. It says New Balance in the grayish. It's like a clear. And right here you got the USA. It is in 3M reflective as well. So this is like a silicone. And then right here too. And you got a 3M reflective right here. Got the New Balance 992, and then in a black stitching right there. Here's a tag. And you got this like a beige creamy lace. There's a size label right here. It is made in USA. And here's what it looks like on the outsole. You got the 992 right here, New Balance. So let me turn off the flash so you know what this part look like. So this is what it look like without the 3M reflective. And you got the Made USA flag right there. And here's another tag that comes with it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.